Hi everyone, this is Iman here. Today we will discuss about what is affiliate marketing and how we can do affiliate marketing for online earning. So before starting our video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and press the bell icon for new notifications. It is a tech channel and all videos will be related to tech. First of all, what is affiliate? Affiliate means that authenticate if you which thing you are advertising is authenticated. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance based affiliate in which a business reward or one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer bought by the affiliate own marketing office. And my affiliate marketing means that you are doing authentic advertisement. Authentic means from any company or any business owner. Now how we can do it? Affiliate marketing, this is a circle of affiliate marketing. You place your affiliate link. First of all, you have to create your affiliate link, and then you will place that link on your website. Two things you have required: the first affiliate link, and second your website. You will put your link on your affiliate link on your website, and then when you will put your affiliate link on your website, visitors click your affiliate link and are taken to the merchant's website. They will go to the merchant website. Merchant means which you have hire a client, hire a person for your work. The customer buys something from the merchant website, and customer will buy the things and products, and then you will go to earn a commission, which is you earn a commission which is usually a percentage of the sale, and you will earn a commission that is extra. You are extra earning, you are extra purchasing money from that product. That will be your revenue, that will be a profit which you have gained from your affiliate marketing. Trending affiliate marketing in 2022 is how to build better campaigns and create a loyal audience. Third one is new tips and tools, like in the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing, how can hotels explore this through their and B2B affiliate marketing program. Side listing is the top trending affiliate marketing in 2022. I hope you understand. You know that what is affiliate marketing, how we can do affiliate marketing, which is the method of affiliate marketing. For the next video, you must watch our channel.